Alright, so next we're going to make the BBT mac and cheese submitted by Judy Perillo. This will take around 20 to 30 minutes. So we have 1 box of mac and cheese, a 1/4 cup of butter for the mac and cheese, and the milk for the mac and cheese, so whatever is just in the ingredients. Then we have frozen broccoli, a 1/3 cup of cooked bacon, cherry tomatoes that are preferably diced or half, they're cut. Okay. And then red pepper flakes to taste. So first we're going to prepare the mac and cheese according to the box instructions.
After we're done the mac and cheese, we want to microwave the frozen broccoli according to the bag instructions. So we have 1 bag here, and we'll add it to the mac and cheese.